video. So we're outside. We're gonna do some JJAPPAGETTI and nuclear fire noodles for breakfast. And we have 4 fried eggs. Let's see how this is gonna sit on our stomach all day.
For breakfast.
And we have pickle radish. Man, we go through this a lot and fast.
Okay, it's perfect.
Let's eat. 맛있겠다.
You know, it's funny how that's spicy.
It's like very tint, right? That tastes a lot.
Overall, tastes
Does it?
to me
Tastes fine to me.
perfect.
맛있어? It's not spicy, right?
Nowadays,
Considering this is nuclear fire one?
if that whole thing, I don't think I would be able to do it.
No.
I'll enjoy it when it's like jalapeno spicy. You know what I'm saying?
Really?
Yeah, I love it. It's a Pac-Man.
I don't think this vinegar is wearing out for me yet. So when we used to drink like a vegetable juice every morning, oh my gosh, we wouldn't live in the bathroom. But it eventually like stopped working as well. But this vinegar is doing pretty well for me right now. This one you always had, right? The eye. This is after the car accident.
Car accident, yeah.
But this one looks more
Natural.
Yeah.
I know.
Not rare. Do you know which one's my more natural eye? Other one I can't.
The whispering eye.
Do you know which eye? I got the double eyelids naturally.
I don't know. They both are pretty natural looking.
Right? One of them I kind of like made it myself.
By using a knife.
No. I kept rubbing my eye.
Jeez, that works?
And I put tape. Yeah.
That
Eventually,
works?
because if you start with the tape, and then it kind of creases a little, and then you keep rubbing it, and then it just gonna like.
Oh my goodness, how much did you rub?
I don't know, like it dried out at one point. So when I'm like really, if I like cry the night before a lot, or like drink a lot, like I lose my double eyelid on this one.
Interesting.
This one just kind of came naturally when I started to lose weight.
So if, let's say you gain weight, then it's gonna go away?
No, it's been there too long.
What was your like? Was that the trend back then? Do they people still do that? What do you think?
What they try to make their own?
Yeah, among
No,
Asians.
it was definitely a phase.
Like it doesn't even matter, right? If I get double eyelids,
We have double eyelids.
oh, I do.
Yeah.
That's right. So in a way, we both save money. Instead of getting
Well, you don't have to get it.
well, I got it. Oh, actually, mine was expensive because it was a huge accident, and then like I think like 6 people sued me. It's funny because after I hit my eye, and it was like a huge gash. So even though I'm closing my eye, I could see it, right? And then all these people came out, you know, who I hit into, but I didn't like directly hit them. It's just side to side to side, whatever. And then when this older guy comes out, all mad at me and stuff, and then he sees ambulance, and then he all of a sudden goes, "Oh my god!" Like, and then literally those ambulance people were like, "Dude, you're fine just a minute ago. What do you mean all of a sudden you can't walk?" You know, we saw
Was
you.
it Korean?
No, no, no.
It was Korean as well.
But yeah, the guy that had like a least, like a bumper damage, was the one all of a sudden he said he can't walk.
Oh, really?
Okay, sure, like, but the paramedics were like, "I saw you. You were just walking around, like, like yelling." But you know, they're not gonna be like "F you." So
Was
they
that
still,
the car accident that kind of like made you become like a really cautious driver? Because you're
I mean,
really cautious.
I had like a traumatic experience. I had like flashbacks and stuff a couple times.
Really?
Yeah.
That accident, right?
Yeah.
Yeah, you're like, I feel like knowing you, you would think that, oh, he's a pretty like
I was a
rough
aggressive driver.
Yeah, aggressive driver. But when you're actually in the car with him, he's like one of the safest person to drive with. But he's very careful. Number one is my dad. Oh my gosh, this guy he's so careful. My mom, my dad and my mom and my sister actually, they're really careful drivers. Very cautious, and you're definitely up there too. I don't think I was in like 2 car accidents ever. I was never really ill. But oh, actually I went to a chiropractor one time, but
That was a bad accident.
I lost my eyelashes.
Because it burned off, right?
No, like I hit the handle. Like hit like this.
Yeah.
It pulled. But it still wasn't that bad compared to the guy who hit me. His airbag popped.
And that guy straight up said he was on his phone, right?
Oh, is that what he said?
Yeah.
No, he said like, I don't know what he said, but like we were at a complete stop and he literally hit me full speed, which was just kind of ridiculous. Like, how do you? I don't know. The only accident that I had where I had to get stitches was when I think I told you this, when I was in Korea. I was going down like a tiny hill and my rollerblades, I was sitting and I was going down the hill and this car backed up and then the tire went over my hand Yeah, so I had to get stitches, and this is like right before like you were immigrating to America. So like I had like a metal shit on my finger, like middle finger, and I would like.
I'm ready for America. 잘 먹었다.
Yummy.
Now we should get ready.
Yeah.